Hi everyone, and welcome back to my desk. Today, I want to tackle a problem that I have with cable management. In order to solve this problem, I'm trying to build a honeycomb that will be comprised of a lot of cardboard tubes that I've been gathering for a while now. There are basically two types of tubes that I have. One of them is smaller in diameter and the other one is bigger in diameter. And my plan is to order them in a row, apply hot glue, and stick them both in the same line, in the same plane. And then I'll use them vertically inside the drawer so I can drop cables inside and have them organized and not mixed up with each other. I have no idea if this is gonna work. We'll see. And here is what I ended up with. To be honest, I thought that I had a lot more of these, but obviously I was wrong. I kind of got almost to the half of the drawer, and I fitted 8 from these larger ones in a single row and 10 from the smaller ones in a single row. Currently, I have all the larger ones glued together, and the smaller ones are just separate rows. I'm not sure how I'll continue this, but next up is to load some of the cables back here and see how that goes. I'll start using it and then we'll see if it makes any sense to do something like this or it was a waste of time. And finally, here's the drawer completed with all of the cables put back in. Even though I thought that I don't have enough of these tubes, it apparently fitted all of my cables and I have few of them to spare. The way I've put them in is that I first connected both of the connectors of the cable on one end and then folded the rest of the cable. and I realized that many of the bot cables also come in such way, such as this. So I have both of the connectors on one end, and I can see from the top which of the cables I want. At the front, I have all of the wires that I use basically daily for prototyping. Uh, then I have all of the different USB types and the cables for those. Then some specialty cables, and then at the back I have the ones that I use the least, such as this wire, which is just a spare wire that I can use for any projects, and some small offcuts I've put on the back. Here at the front, I've added two of these trays so I can use them as a general purpose catch-all things. So I can quickly drop and access some of these small modules like this voltage tester, and also like this jumper cables that I have for breadboards. And this one is dedicated for all the high voltage stuff. So if I have any AC lines, AC cables, I usually keep them here in this box. Let me know what you think. For me, it seems like it's gonna work, but it still needs to prove the test of time. We'll see how it goes. Let me know if you have any suggestions how I can improve this and how I can make it better. Stay tuned for the next video, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.